My name's Ricky, I'm from Pride Landscape and Design. I'm a tradesman on Rated People. We're here in sunny Manchester and we're going to talk about how to get the most out of your garden all year round. So one of the first things you may be considering is a social space that you're going to want to use all year round. So the first thing I would consider is where you want it positioning. Also you're going to need it on a hard standing surface, so you're going to need to pick your material, whether it be sandstone, porcelain, decking. There are various options to look at. The third thing I think about is seating area. Dependent on budget, this can be achieved in many different ways, whether it be a nice L-shaped rattan sofa, as you can see we've got here. We can make stuff out of pallets and just a wooden seated area, which depends on the theme that you're going for. So many different options. The next thing I would consider is a heat source, because you're going to want to use this well into the evening. This can be achieved by either a fire pit, by a little gas fire, so many options again, but definitely something to consider. And finally, convenience. There are so many different things you can have for convenience in your garden, whether it be a fridge, an outdoor sink, it can be a pizza oven, a barbecue. Your landscaper can advise you accordingly as to what you can have in the space that you've chosen. So while the adults are socialising, it's really important to keep the kids entertained too, whether it be a playhouse, a slide, tree house, or just as simple as a swing. When planning your all year round garden, you want to make sure you've got something to look at all year round. As you can see, we've got some beautiful vibrant colours here, and it's the middle of winter. What I did for this client was created a spreadsheet, listed the plants and showed them what colours will be showing at what time of year, and I think it looks great. So let's talk about bringing the home and the garden together. It's really important that you consider your view out of the house and into the garden. Here, as you can see, you've got beautiful corner glass patio doors that once they're opened, the garden just feels like part of the house. You've got a really nice path line, which is your natural walk line. You've got a really nice glass panelling, which creates a separate area to the garden, but then you can still see through and it's not blocking any type of view. And also a great thing to have in your garden is a sheltered area. With this one we've done a half and half, so you've got shade in the summer and shelter in the winter. So when we get those 10-minute showers that we get a lot of in this country, you'll still be able to stay out and enjoy the space. There are lots of different ways you can achieve this, whether it be trees, it be a timber gazebo, and a landscaper or garden designer will be able to assist you and advise you correctly in what would be best suited for yourself and your garden. And finally, lighting. This has such an impact on your garden, whether it be from a practical point of view, lighting up a focal area, shrubbery, and also it's great value for money. You can have these installed in so many different ways, whether it be controlled via your smartphone or whether it be as simple as a switch. It's something that's really overlooked but has a massive impact on the final project. So thank you for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful and feel ready to start your next garden project. Remember, you can find quality tradespeople on ratedpeople.com.